So moving on to the next problem, look at the problem. Find the reduced pos form. Pos refers to product of some form of the following equation. F of A, B, C, D, summation of small m 1, 3, 7, 11, 11, 15, don't care 0, 2, 5. So is the given expression is in a form of SOP or POS? Look at summation of small m. So the given expression is in the form of SOP. But what they have asked? They have asked find the reduced POS. So the given expression is in the form of SOP. So you need to find out POS. This is the first thing. Second thing, so whenever in the expression they give f of a, b, c, d, look at the f of a, b, c, d, they are in the capital letters. So make sure that when you write the expressions, like these things should be in the capitals and the expression should be in the capitals. So in the previous problem, I didn't follow these things, but you need to follow the things. If they give smaller letters like small a, small b, small c, make sure that all these things are small letters and these are small things, small letters. If they give PQRS, make sure that these are the PQRS and these should be PQRS. WXYZ, WXYZ. If they give capital letters, make sure that you write the capitals. If they give small letters, make sure that you write the small letters. So the given expression is in the form of SOP, but they are asked to reduce POS form. And there's one more thing, implement using NAND logic. So once you get the POS expression, you need to implement that particular POS expression using only the NAND gate. So they have specified clearly you are supposed to use only the NAND gate. So not or and you are not supposed to use, you are supposed to make use only the NAND gate expression. Okay, so let me go with the first. So given expression is SOP, just fill these minterms with ones like this and don't case with XXX. Okay, remaining portions with zeros. So what do you need to calculate? You need to find out the POS. So is it necessary to group ones or is it necessary to group zeros now? So you need SOP expression or you need POS expression? You need POS. So you need to group zeros, not ones. Even though the given expression is in the SOP, even though they have given the minterms, you have filled the minterms in the K-map, but they have asked for POS. So POS means you need to fill it with, you need to group zeros. So check it out. Is there any possibility of an octant? Octant 8 ones. Is there any possibility of 8 ones? Look at the expression. So look at the expression. Not 8 ones, 8 zeros. We are concentrating on POS, right? You need to group zeros. So you need to look for adjacent 8 zeros. Is there any 8 zeros? If I consider this x don't care as 0, this x don't care as 0. If I roll like this, so I can make an octant like here. This is one octant. Okay, so we are concentrating on grouping on zeros. Why? We need a reduced POS form. Even though they given the SOP expression, even though we have filled this SOP expression with ones, we need to group zeros because we need POS expression. We don't want SOP. If they ask for SOP, then group ones, not zeros. Suppose in case let me take in another. Find the reduced SOP form for the following expression. If they give the expression like rather than summation of small m, if they give pi of m, this will be the max terms. Fill those max terms with zeros and group ones, not zeros. If the given expression is in the form of SOP, if they ask for POS, fill the K-map with ones. Okay, group zeros. If they ask for POS. If the given expression is in the POS, if they ask for SOP, fill the K-map with zeros and concentrate on ones like that. Okay, remember one thing, SOP, if they want SOP, concentrate on ones. If they want POS, concentrate on zeros. Okay, if they want POS, take these x's as zeros. If they want SOP, take these x's as ones if needed. Okay, so this is one octant. We are left with 2 zeros now. So can we make a pair or is there any possibility of an octant, one more, or a quad? Yes, we have an possibility of a quad now like this. So based on this thing, for this, see C D bar, C bar D bar, C bar C cancels, D bar remains, everything get cancels here. So I have written D bar here plus for this one C bar remains, D bar D cancels, C bar from here and B by bar cancels, A C bar I have written here. So the expression which you got is SOP. Even though you're grouping zeros, whichever the expression you get is SOP, that is F bar. You need F double bar, put a whole bar for this thing. Okay, one more thing, if they give the like y of ABCD, you take it as y. If they give f of ABCD, you take it as f. Remember, okay. You need to simplify this one. Like if you remove this bar, this plus will be a product now. So double bar will cancels. You remain with the D. So if you remove this here, you get plus A bar plus C double bar, C double bar. Bar cancels. We'll get the final equation will be D A bar plus C will be your final equation. So what is the next thing? You are supposed to implement with using a NAND gate. You need to implement this particular expression only by using NAND circuit. So I will give you some steps. You need to follow these steps. If you follow these steps, no matter whichever the equation might be, whichever the lengthy equation might be, you can write the circuit easily, okay, if you follow these steps. And second thing is, most of you people don't know how to use NAND gate, how to use NOR gates and all those things. Just at least you should know how to write the circuit using basic gates and or not. You should know at least those things. If you know the writing the basic gate, then you can go with the next step. Like I have written a basic gate now. Given expression is D into A bar plus C. Here A bar. So this A, this is A here, this will be A bar AND gate, right? A bar plus C, plus means AND gate. So the two input is A bar plus C. The output of this will be A bar plus C. Okay. So D into the whole, the thing is D into means you need a AND gate. I have written a AND gate. The another input is D here. So D and A bar plus C is the whole gate. The output will be D into A bar plus C. So this is what, okay. So once you have written the basic circuit by using the basic gates, first thing, step 1, put the bubbles at the input of an OR gate and output of an AND gate. Put the bubbles at the input of OR gate and output of AND gate. You have constructed the circuit by using the basic gates. So the first thing is you need to put a bubble for the input of an OR gate and output of an AND gate. Just put the bubbles for the input of an OR gate and output of an AND gate. No matter how many OR gates are there, or no matter how many AND gates in your circuit, just put the bubbles for the input of an OR gate and output of an AND gate. This is the first step. So we have an OR gate here. So you need to put a bubble for the input of an OR gate. So I added bubble, 2 bubbles, input of an OR gate, 2 bubbles. We call this as a bubbled R. We call this a bubbled OR gate. Okay, you remember bubbled OR gate. And what is that? Output of AND gate. So this is output. I have added a bubble at the output of an AND gate. This is the first step. Input of an OR gate and output of an AND gate. Don't do anything with a NOT gate. Don't do anything with a NOT gate. Just you need to put a bubble for the input of an OR gate and output of an AND gate. This is the first step. Second step. Insert inverter for each bubble. So you just added a bubble, right? So wherever you added a bubble, just insert an inverter. Inverter is nothing but a NOT gate. You added a bubble here, you added a bubble here, you added a bubble here. So just insert an inverter, one inverter here, one inverter here. So you added bubble here, no? 2 bubbles here and here. So just insert one inverter here and one inverter here. So done here. Inverter here and inverter. Inverter is nothing but a NOT gate. We added 2 bubbles for the input of our gate. So I inserted 2 inverters. Here and here, 2 inverters, 2 NOT gates, and I inserted a bubble at the output of an AND gate. So I'm just supposed to add one more inverter here. So we add bubble for the input of an OR gate and output of an AND gate in the first step. So wherever we added the bubbles, you just need to insert an inverter in the second step. So we added 2 bubbles here. So I'm writing 2 inverters here, just behind these 2 bubbles. This inverter was already there. Okay. So 2 bubbles are here. So 2 inverters are written. So one bubble I added at the output of an AND gate, so I am adding a one extra inverter here. Okay, so this is second step. Third step is eliminate double inverter or double inversion. If you find two inverters, just eliminate double inversions. Like so look at here, we have double inversions here, so these two get cancels. So eliminate double inversions, these two get cancels. So the circuit will be remain like this, remaining as it is. Just eliminate the double inversions. Two gate, remove these two gates, this and this will get cancels. This is the step. The circuit will remain like this, remaining as it is, just write as it is. Okay, this is not double inversion. Okay, two NOT gates, don't combine this NOT gate with this bubble. Okay, double inversion, inverter, just remove these things, remaining right as it is. This is a third step. And the fourth step is replace bubbled OR and NOT gate with a NAND gate. Fourth step is replace bubbled OR and NOT gate with a NAND gate. So what is bubbled OR gate? Here it is. So when we add a bubble just behind the OR gate, this is we call as a bubbled OR gate. Okay, and NOT gate, where is it is NOT gate? We have a NOT gates here. This is a NOT gate. Replace this NOT gate and this NOT gate and this bubbled OR gate with a NAND gate. You know what? This NOT gate can be written like this, single input NAND gate. This is single input. So this is interconnected like this. This is single input, single output. This is a NAND gate. So rather than writing this NOT gate, I can write it as a NAND gate. You can convert this invert to NAND gate. If you want to make use a NAND gate as a NOT gate, you are supposed to make it write like this. This bubbled OR gate, this is bubbled OR gate, can also be is equal to a NAND gate. Bubbled OR gate and NAND gate both will function same. Bubbled OR gate and bubbled NAND gate both will function the same. So I am just replacing this bubbled OR gate with a NAND gate and an inverter with this and NAND gate. So look at here, bubbled OR gate, right? I replace this bubbled OR gate with a NAND gate. This is an inverter, right? So I replace the inverter with a NAND gate. This is NAND gate is as it is. This NOT gate is replaced with a NAND gate. So the complete circuit now is just made of only the NAND gates, right? So your question is implement using only the NAND gate. So right now the complete circuit is just with a NAND gate. This is your final circuit. If you follow these steps for whatever the equation, you can just write the circuit in an easy manner. So first thing is, write the expression with a simple basic gates. If you go wrong here and everything goes wrong, okay, you need to write how to write the circuit for the basic expression by using the basic gates. So put bubbles are the inputs of OR gates and output of an AND gate. The first step, insert inverter for each bubble. Wherever you add a bubble, you just insert a inverter in the next step. Third step is eliminate the double inversion. If you find any double NOT gates, just cancel these things. So don't cancel this. Okay, this and this bubble are not on the same. You know the bubble and inverter are both invert the signals. That is right. But the thing is, you're not supposed to cancel this inverter and this bubble. If there is an inverter and inverter, just cancel. Double inversion, cancel these things. There is no inverter, just keep it as it is. There is no inverter, one more inverter, just keep it as it is. Don't cancel this NOT gate with this bubble. Remember, don't cancel this. Just cancel only the inverter. And you are going to get this circuit. And replace the bubbled OR gate and NOT gate with a NAND gate. You know that bubbled OR gate can also be, bubbled OR gate is equal to the NAND gate. So I am replacing this bubbled OR gate with a NAND gate. And NOT gate, this can be written like by using a NAND gate. So just write it like this. So this is your final circuit.